What up, team? What up, family? What up, world? It's your brother KOBK, and today we're gonna go ahead and give you some extra sauce on top of what's already been going on. So previously, last week, really the last 2 weeks, we've dove into using two trading styles. We've been using the reckoning, and we've also been using the Xenosus. Now, all my strategies are super powerful. I'll put my link down below. You guys can also see it above my head right up there. But they're both powerful. Each one of my strategies we've taken and accumulated $500 all the way up to $1,000 on demo accounts and live accounts with every single one of the strategies. But I was trading with Nelly the other day, and we found something out with the Xenosus strategy. That strategy was literally built to have sniper entries on the market. And the reason that's so important, because most of the time when we're trading, we get into a trade too late, or we get in too early, and we might get spiked out either on the Forex side or the binary side. With all of my strategies, we eliminate that, but especially with my 2-minute dominator strategy, my Xenosus strategy, and the Daniel strategy, once you enter those trades, they literally go directly into profit, and you don't have to worry about if you're going to clear those trades. Well, with that Xenosus strategy, Nelly asked a question, why don't we take continuous trades on that? And I didn't say it. And the reason was because when I used that strategy, I was using regular candles. So I switched it over to Heiken Ash candles with the indicator that I have on there. And those settings on that indicator are my own personal settings. You can't find those on the internet anywhere. Good luck. Game over. So I'm going to show you guys how that works. And then I'm going to switch strategies over to the reckoning strategy and show you that as well. And then I have some individuals, some scholars who are on the line. We're going to look for some trades. They're going to call some trades out, and we're going to see if those are potential good setups for today. Not only that, I got something else exciting for you guys. So with the Xenosus strategy, I adjusted the settings, and this is for my Forex people. I adjusted the settings, and now I can use that strategy that I'm about to show you now on Forex. As a matter of fact, and I'm going to tell you guys the truth, I'm in trades now. So we know the market opens up Sunday, right? And we know the spreads are super large, and we know the best days to trade are Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. But I wanted to see how powerful this strategy is. So last night, I seen the setup. I seen 3. I could have taken more, but I did it on a $3,000 account, and I didn't want to over leverage. And I entered those trades. When I entered those 3 trades, I immediately went to negative $500 because of the spread of those currency pairs. And I took a standard entry on all 3 of those trades. Now, and I took it on a 1-hour time frame. I'll show you guys the video later. So I recorded the whole process, and it's still going now. Currently on that, from last night, I'm up $500 on that account right now, and she's still going. And I'm going to continue to stay in those trades until I get my exit, my notification, my caution to get out of those trades. So this is me right now trying that strategy that we use on binary options on the Forex side. And I'm going to tell you guys now, it's a complete game changer. Talking about taking trades with sure confidence. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to switch over, share my screen to the binary options. I am on my demo account for this session right here. I want you guys to see what's going on. I employ you guys as well to be on your demo account when you're learning the strategy. After you learn the strategy and you mastered the strategy, you can then switch over to your live account. So the way the strategy works is I did add this on right here, but we're just going to focus on this. Everything else I could take off, but I just added it on top of what I'm doing for extra verification of what I'm looking at. So the trade time that we're going to take is a 2-minute trade. We got our candles on 30 seconds. We have hike and ash candles on, enable timer, enable auto scroll, enable grid snap. Now, the way you use this strategy, I'm going to show you guys real quick. Let me turn this off for a second. The way you guys use this strategy is whenever you see this line shoot straight up, you enter the trade. You enter it for a 2 minute. This right here would be a 2 minute call. We're buying. This is going up. This line is going up. You're going to hit the green button because that means goes up. You hit it for a 2 minute call. And then what happens is, this is what Nelly and myself figured out. Because normally once that happens and I clear that trade, I will go on to the next trade. But what happens is when this line goes flat, and every time every 30-second closes and this line remains flat, you take another entry for 60 seconds going with the trade. If this line right here goes down, boom, you take that 2 minute entry for a sell. You stay selling as long as that line is completely flat. This line is curving, so you would probably enter that trade and see it start to curve, and then you wouldn't take any more. You'll get out. Like, we don't win every trade, but we win way more than we lose. So I want to put this into action with you guys real quick. I'm gonna just go over here. I am trading OTC. This works on everything, but I like OTC personally. It pays out more. You just got to be careful what they're doing. It is a synthetic market. That means that the broker can manipulate this broker, but normally you'll be able to tell when they're manipulating the broker. And the reason you'll be able to tell, when you take a trade and it's spiking really, really rapid left and right, they're manipulating the broker. So if that's the case, stop trading. Just stop trading, or go to your traditional pair, which is like this right here, EUR GBP, that does not have OTC at the end. So I'm looking at everything with OTC right now. So I'm just going to select a few, and then I am going to find, see, like this right here. So this is completely flat right here, right? So what I'm doing right now is waiting for this to shoot directly up, and then I'm going to take that trade. I do have enabled timer on, so I have 3 seconds left on this one, and it's still flat, so I'm not going to take the trade. Now, what you must look at when you're trading this style is you want to look at your candles. Make sure your candles are pretty nice size like this. If they're like real small like this, you probably want to stay away. And I think I will stay away from this one for the simple fact is I do have a fractal here and a fractal here, meaning price is literally stuck in between those zones. I do have my money line. Price loves to come to that line and then shoots back up. So I'm gonna watch actually. That's fine. Let's go. Now let's go to another one. Let's see. Nope. Now once see, this one already happened. So I could take this right now for continuations because she's already made her move, but I want to get one perfect for you guys for the very first trade so you can see how it works, the full scope of everything. Now, the reason I added my fractals on here, when you have your fractals on, the fractals tell you how high the market has went and how low the market has went. So currently right here, it popped up. That means that the market has went down so far that it wants to turn around, and thus you see the market starting to trend up. Now, I do see this up here. This right here, I would love to take a sell, but if I was to take a sell right here, it can probably come right here, then stop, and then go the other way. So we do have momentum. I'm gonna take this with y'all. I'm gonna take it. I am going to take it. Let's see if this candle right here closes below my red line. If it closes below my red line here, I will enter the trade. That's just the extra confirmation that I personally have on my chart when looking at these. All right, we're gonna go to the next one. Let's see here. Let's see. Let's find a good one. You're above. Flat. You went down quite a ways. Dropped, stayed down, came up, dropped again. This might be a good pair. So what I'm going to do, all right, cool. I got 30 seconds. I'm going to switch over. I'm going to go look at my currency strength meter. EUR, EUR and GBP are super strong. All right. So, Chef JPY. Uh-oh. We might have action. We might have action. And then also what I'm doing is I'm looking at fractal levels over here, telling me how low it went as well. Boom, taking that trade. So I'm in this trade. I'm going to get rid of everything else. I don't need to focus on nothing else right now. So we're in this trade for 2 minutes, right? Come over here. You guys can see we got 1:47 left on this trade. Now I switch my trade amount right now to 60 seconds. Now what I want right now while I'm looking at this market, because I do have a fractal, meaning it can turn around, it could, but I want price to break this level. That's what I really want right now. We're still in profit on this trade. I need price to break this level. Now, I do have this indicator right here. This is my stochastics. My stochastics is telling me that it's clearly oversold. But let's trust our trade and see what happens. And if we catch a lesson on this one, it's fine. I'll find another one. It's not a big deal. All right, so we just got a fractal here, and now we have momentum. So this is giving me the indication for a buy. So I will take my 2-minute buy. So now I'm in a buy and a sell, which is a call and a put. So I could potentially come back and close this one out in profit, and then come back and close this one out in profit. But we're going to see how this move works, exactly what's going on. So now that I'm in this one for a buy, and if everything stays here and I take a lesson here, I will then go 60-second continuation trades for the buy. So I'm watching price. I'm looking to see if price is going to close above or below this line right now. All right, so it looks like I might take a lesson here. I might. That's okay. We're going to go 60 seconds. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And I will take another entry for the call. Boom, call, boom. So now I'm in that one as well. Let's see if we can catch the wave. Now she came back down. She wants to play in this zone. I'm going to find another pair. So what's happening right now on this one? She's not ready to break out. She's playing in that level right there. And this level right here. She's literally stuck. So what I need to do is I need to wait till I get a complete breakout of this level before I do anything else with this right here. She's going to break. She broke. She wants to continue to go down. She needs to break that level. So let me see if I can find another one. Oh, there she go. Oh, take that, take that, take that. Counter trend trade right here. Let's go. Come on. 30. Boom. Where would it still be in this one? I like this. I like this. I like this. right, all right, all right, all right, all right. All right, all right. So I think we have one right here. So I need price to close above this line. We had the entry right here. So I entered another 60-second trade based off the 2-minute entry. The 2-minute wouldn't have been finished yet, but I'm getting these continuations. Let's go. This is what we're looking for right here. So now we caught the reversal before the trend actually took over. So we entered that first one. We're going to clear that first one. Then we're in for another one back to 60 seconds. And every time the 30-second candle closes and this line stays flat, we're going to enter that trade. So I'm looking to enter again. As long as I'm flat here, let's go, let's go, let's go. Boom, enter that trade as well. We cleared that trade. Let's go, let's go. I need a big push up. So I do have a fractal here. So this is telling me that there's a level right here where that fractal is. And I'm gonna change the color for you guys. I got 15 seconds. I'll change this to that color. Got 9 seconds. So that's a whole nother level right there. Let's go. About to do another one. We're taking this one as well. Boom, that's another entry. Let's go. So now I have a fractal here and a fractal here. So that's telling me that that's a whole nother level that we need to break. And if we break that, come on now. I don't know why that didn't pop up. If we break that, so we got a level here we need to break, and that's why she's struggling right here because of this level. But I'm going to still enter. Even if I take a lesson on that, I'm still going to enter. Nope, I'm done. So this is starting to point down. So I won those 3, and I'm going to take a lesson on that one. I'm okay. I got my warning telling me that it wants to come down. Now, what I do know is price loves to come back to this line. So I'm going to wait for price to come to this line, then adjust. It could come here and then come all the way back down here because that's where that other fractal is. But there's a fractal right here where that purple line is. So we're going to see what happens. See if that shoots back up so we can take more continuations. So I'm just being patient right now. That was a nice little run. Nice little run. But when you find a real good run, you could take that run. And when I say they run, y'all, that's like catching every single one of these going down using this strategy. Cool. I'm gonna end this video. But anyway, that's your boy KLBK. Just wanted to show y'all how we use that Xeno Su strategy. Anyway, we out of here. Catch y'all later.